Hi everyone, in today's vlog let's talk about mounting the lower shell to the chassis. Now I had a few ideas on what to do, but this is what I came up with. I designed some parts on the 3D printer. This is my rear mount. So this will replace these two like so. And then I'll mount the shell and it screws in right into there. And I made this brace so the screws don't pull through the plastic. And for the front, I used the existing holes for the bumper. And I made this piece. So that'll go there. And same thing. Made a brace for inside. And that'll screw down right in there. I did test fit it, and this piece was a little short, so I made a little bigger plate that goes on top of that. So now the spacing's right. So let's put those on and see how it looks. Here's the chassis with the mounts mounted. The rear and the front. Now let's get the shell on. I'm very happy. It all worked out. So now my chassis and shell are together. Thanks for watching.